Hey guys! In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use iCloud on your iPhone and explain why it's an essential feature. If you've ever wondered how iCloud works, how it stores and syncs your data, or whether you need to upgrade your storage, this video is for you. iCloud is an Apple's cloud storage service that helps you store, sync, and back up data across multiple devices. It is directly linked to your Apple ID, which means when you set up your iPhone, your Apple ID automatically serves as your iCloud account. To access your iCloud, open Settings, tap on your Apple ID name at the top, and select on iCloud. Now, here are the key features of iCloud. It automatically backs up your iPhone's data, making it easy to restore if needed. It also works like a Google Drive or Dropbox, allowing you to store and access files. It also keeps data from apps like Notes, Photos, and Messages updated across your Apple devices. Now, Apple gives everyone 5 gig of free storage. This is enough for basic backups, syncing notes, and messages. If you need more storage, you can upgrade to a monthly subscription for extra space. This is helpful for backing up all your photos, videos, and files. Now, you can access your iCloud Drive to your files. Just tap on the files and click on iCloud Drive. Here you can upload, organize, and access your files from any Apple devices. And that's how you use iCloud on your iPhone. Thanks for watching and I'll see you on the next one.